Next, we want to plan positive replacement activities. If you take something away that a child is on average spending 7 hours a day doing, what are they going to do for the other 3 or 4 hours if you say 2 hours of time or 3 hours of time? What would they do with their time? As a parent, you're going to want to prepare them. You take time out, you've got to replace it with something. Reading a book, going for a walk, going for a run, playing tennis, playing a musical instrument. Are we replacing the phone time or the device time with meaningful things? As I observe and look at what's helping my children's mental health, we all know exercise helps. We know good, adequate sleep helps. We know developing a skill or a talent helps. We need replacement activities. I'm going to suggest good mental health comes with 3 specific things: a good diet, regular exercise, and good sleep. In addition to that, I want to talk about time as a family, eating dinner together, going on walks. We know from the research that children look forward to time with their family. Now that may sound strange, but dinner time, breakfast together, family activities, these are the things that people look back in as they get older. These are the memories that stick out to children. So spending time together as a family is a great idea on how to replace that time. I encourage you to identify ways that you can help your children by having family activities and replacing that phone. Brainstorm together as a family, come up with ideas or solutions, and do it intentionally.